Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Congress kicks off Lok Sabha campaign with mega meeting at Lohia Maidan. 6 MLAs stay away from the meet. Candidates to be declared on Wednesday. Aam Aadmi Party declares Dr. Dattaram Desai as their North Goa candidate and Swati Kerkar as South candidate. AAP clears that both not connected with RSS. Adhaar linked subsidy system on LPG cylinders rolled back. Consumers to get 12 cylinders at 426 rupees per year. No waiting for subsidy amount. Official limit of candidates' expenditure raised to 54 lakhs from 24 lakhs. Health Department holds medicine tenders following Code of Conduct. EC to take final call. And GPL 5th season gets underway on Wednesday. 6 Goan teams get set to face American and Russian challenge in 2020 cricket tournament. Now the news in detail. Congress kicked off their Lok Sabha campaign at Margao on Tuesday. The division within the party got exposed at Lohia Maidan as 5 MLAs boycotted the meet and Alex Reginald registered his presence for small time. Most of the leaders defeated in the last election, however, made the presence felt at the meeting. Close to 4,000 people attended the meeting.
Candidate काढपाक शांतारामान नुकतेच सांगला त्यांना काजार जाल्लो काढूंक जाय तो फॉर्माट सारकें बरें म्हणून सांगूंक जाय गोंयचे भुरगे बरेचशे भायर वयतात थोडे ड्युअल सिटीजनशीप घेतात तांकां ड्युअल सिटीजनशीप दिवपाक आमचो मनीस झगडटलो.
You have no problem in South Goa, you have a sitting MP, but that process is to be followed, due process is to be followed.
John, the absence of Movin within felt it today.
No, everybody was invited, no absence of anybody is felt yet, such a big crowd. But Movin has only one vote, so big crowd is there, we have so many votes.
No, but will you bring this to the notice of the party?
No need, they are free.
So you are ignoring Movin within?
I agree with you, the word you use.
भ्रष्टाचाराचे सगळे उलयताले पण यूपीएच्या सरकारान लोकपाल बिल जे इतले वर्सां पास जावन आशिल्ले ते सुद्धा ह्याच वर्सा पार्लमेंटा भितर पास करून दाखयले की जे लोक पयलीं उलयताले जावं मिडियम ऑफ इन्स्ट्रक्शन जावं आनी खंयच्याय विशयाचेर आज कितें परिस्थिती आसा हे सगळे गोंयच्या लोकां मुखार आसा पर्यंत आमचो कार्यकर्तो चार्ज जायना कारण निमाणें इलेक्शन जितप हे कार्यकर्त्याच्या नेटाचेर आसता.
पण लुसिफोनिया गेम जालो तिका लुसिफोनिया गेमीक तांणी टॅक्सी हुंयचे हाडल्यो पळयात आमच्यो हिंगा गोंयांत टॅक्सी नाय महाराष्ट्रांतल्यान हाडून तेंची पोट भरपाक दिल्ले आसा. शीत आहा थिंगा पेल जेवल्या जाता पूण आमकां सुसेग जाय. बाब राहुल गांधीचे हात करी घोट करतले तुमी आयज पर्यंत काँग्रेसाच्या बराबर हिंगा सावथाक रावल्यात.
पयलू तुका तर इतलें आशिल्लें मोदी दोंगरान कितें केलें सगळ्यात मोदी दोंगरान कितें केलें तुका जर अशें गरीब लोक अशें तेंची गादीशी पयली करची ही 50,000 तूं घरा गादीशी करपाक उठला ती कित्याक करूं ना ते गरीब लोक न्हू.
Aam Aadmi Party has finally declared its candidate for North and South Goa seats. Dr. Dattaram Desai from North Goa and Swati Kerkar from South. Both are from Priol constituency. Candidates have promised to address major issues of the Amgoinkar. Both the candidates have denied their affiliation with any other political party.
We have already got confirmation that Swati Kerkar is the candidate for South Goa and Dr. Dattaram Desai for North Goa.
Swati Kerkar, AAP candidate for South Goa, highlighted various issues that she will focus on.
बायलांचे विषय लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सगळे विषय आसा ते आमी व्यवस्थित लोकांक एक वेगळो जो इतल्या वर्सांक लोकांनी म्हणजे पैसे घेवन आतां मत विकते घेवपाचो हो जो ट्रेंड जाला तेका खंय तरी बगल दिवन लोकांक खरें राजकारण खरी डेमोक्रेसी लोकशाही लोकांचो पावर कितें हे चलोवपाचें आसता लोकांनी चलोवपाचें कोण लिडर येवन कोणाक धमकोवन आनी जी दादागिरीचें जे वातावरण सगळ्याक जालां ते खंय तरी पयस करपा खातीर एक बारीक लोकांचो कॉमन लोकांचो आवाज बुलंद करपा खातीर आमी आज हे मुखार पावल घातलेलें आसा.
Media questioned Swati Kerkar over her RSS membership, but she denied it. She in turn asked media to prove her links with the RSS.
I am never a big part of RSS. If anybody has this thing about me, where the membership, I have taken the membership or something about the RSS, then please come, because I am ready to answer the thing.
However, Dr. Dattaram Desai did not witness his candidature announcement. AAP leader Rajendra Kakodkar made it clear that Dr. Dattaram Desai has resigned from BJP and has joined the AAP.
He has resigned from BJP and joined us.
Mayur Naik for Prudent. Domestic LPG consumers across the state will have to pay just subsidized price of rupees 423.50 paisa per cylinder. Customers will get the subsidized LPG cylinder with subsidized rates at their doorsteps. The Adhaar linked bank account and subsidy reimbursement system has been stopped. All Minister Virappa Moily had announced it few days back. The gas distributors have implemented it from 10th March. Delinking the gas subsidy from Adhaar card and bank accounts have been implemented by LPG gas distributors from Monday. All Minister Virappa Moily had announced it in January. Now household can get it at subsidized cost price of rupees 423.50 paisa per cylinder. There is no need for a Adhaar card link up to the bank accounts for reimbursement of the remaining amount.
Direct transfer जे गॅस सबसिडी जाताली ती आता सध्या रोल बॅक केल्ली आसा. हे कालच्यान आमकां एप्लिकेबल जाल्ले आसा. 10 तारखेच्यान आमकां एप्लिकेबल केल्ले आसा. कस्टमरांक सगळे सिलिंडर सबसिडायज रेट म्हणजे 423 रुपया 50 पैसे ह्या रेटान सगळ्या कस्टमरांक सिलिंडर मेळटले. 1 एप्रिल पासून गव्हर्मेंटान 12 सबसिडायज सिलिंडर दिवपाचे केल्ले आसा आणि 12च्या वयर ज्या कोणाचे कन्झम्पशन वयतले तांकां फुल रेटान सिलिंडर घेवपाक पडटलो.
The old system has been reinforced by the gas distributors from 10th March. Those who have already booked a cylinder and getting it before March 10 will however have to pay the non-subsidized price of rupees 1,200. Consumers will be eligible to avail 12 subsidized cylinders between April 1st, 2014 and March 31st, 2015. Dishan Parab for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.